Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Freshsales CRM contact records after Dedupe mistakes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Freshsales CRM account. Navigate to the Contacts tab on the left sidebar. In the Contacts section, locate the search bar at the top. Enter the name or email of the contact you want to restore. If the contact has been accidentally deduped, you may see a notification. Click on the notification that indicates a duplicate was detected. This will take you to the deduplication history. In the deduplication history, find the entry for the contact you want to restore. Click on the entry to view more details. Review the merged contact information carefully. Identify the original contact record that you need to restore. Take note of any important details that may need to be re-entered. Look for the option to restore or unmerge the contact. Click on the Restore option. Confirm your choice when prompted. The original contact record will be returned to your contacts list. Double-check to ensure all necessary information is correctly restored. If any data is missing, manually update the contact record. Finally, save the changes to ensure all information is up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.